Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have permissions and teams open, so start now. Navigate to the Sharepoint site and copy the site or library URL. Once done, switch to Teams and choose the team and channel where the content belongs. Make sure the channel's purpose matches the site content. You do this now to preserve context and permissions. This first step links identity and location, so teams can reference the same files and maintain Sharepoint security. Keep the URL handy for the next step. Now add the Sharepoint site as a channel tab. Click the plus button and pick Sharepoint or website depending on available options. If you pick Sharepoint, choose Document Library, then select the library or folder. If website, paste the exact library URL. Once selected, name the tab so team members recognize content quickly, and make sure to set view versus edit expectations. This ensures files open directly in Teams, preserving Sharepoint structure and reducing confusion about where to save documents. Finish by testing the tab. Open several files, edit one, and confirm changes sync back to Sharepoint with version history intact. Once confirmed, notify the team about the new location and any protocol for saving or tagging files. If something goes wrong, first sign out and sign back into Teams to refresh tokens, then re-verify the copied URL and that you still have site owner or edit rights. Often login scope or a mistyped URL causes failures. Fix those and try adding the tab again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.